How to block someone in Ludo King. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, we will be learning how you can easily block someone on Ludo King in just a few simple steps. First of all, launch open the Ludo King game on your device and go to the social tab at the bottom right corner. Now go ahead and select any friends you want to block. It can be from your friends list, from your last played list or your chats tab. Tap on their profile icon, and once you're taken to the statistics page, go to the upper right and click on this exclamatory button and now select block. After you tap block, you can also delete and report the player by ticking on these boxes over here. Just do that if you want to report or delete them and click on block. Now, you'll get to delete your chat and block them. Click yes, and you have successfully blocked the player. Now the player will be inside the block list within the game. So that's how you block someone on Ludo King. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.